Hello everyone. So welcome to all of you in my full master course on Wondershare Filmora 14 video editing. So in this particular video we will learn how can you use auto reframe feature in Wondershare Filmora 14. So first of all you should know that what is auto reframe feature. First of all you should know that what is frame. So frame is basically resolution of your video. Suppose your video is landscape, which means horizontal resolution. This is your horizontal frame. Suppose your video is vertical resolution, so this is your frame, this is your frame. Suppose you have to convert horizontal resolution into the vertical or vertical resolution into horizontal resolution, then you have to use auto reframe. Okay, so for that just you have to open Filmora and you have to click on three dot to expand to see other tools. Okay, now we have a different kind of tools. Now let's select auto reframe. So let's select auto reframe. Now Filmora will open auto reframe window inside Filmora. Now here you have to import your long form content, okay, in which you have to change your frame. Okay, so let's click on import. Let's click on import. Now what I will do, I will upload this trailer. As you can see, this video has landscape resolution 16:9, horizontal resolution, landscape. Okay, but I have to convert it into the mobile resolution, which is 9:16. So from here I can select output resolution. You can select any resolution which you want. So I will select 16:9. You can also select 1:1 for Instagram and 4:3, 4:5, 20:9. So it will auto convert. Okay, and here you will see motion speed. So what does it means? Motion speed means whenever frame will track me. So suppose I am converting my landscape video into the vertical video. Okay, suppose I am converting my landscape video into the vertical video. So what will happen whenever I will move anywhere? Suppose I will move here or suppose I will move here, so my frame will detect me in entire video. Okay, so my frame will follow me, okay, in entire video. So whenever frame will follow me, then it has some speed. Okay, it could be auto, it could be fast, it could be slow. Okay, so if I will select fast, then frame will shift very fast, or if I will select slow, frame will move slowly, which means frame will follow slowly. Okay, ठीक है. So now let's click on auto and click on analyze. So now process have been completed successfully, and you have to notice that this is my frame. This was my previous frame and it has converted it into the portrait mode. Okay, so you will notice that whenever I will move, this frame will try to auto adjust. Okay, so let's play. Hello everyone. So in this particular course you will understand that how can you clone yourself, how can you create amazing AI videos using your own character. Tired of feeling stretched thin? Learn to clone yourself. Now you have a two option. You can directly export it to your desktop, okay, or laptop, or you can add it to your timeline. Suppose you have to edit some part, so you have to add it to the timeline. But if you have to directly export it, then also you can export it from here. Okay, so suppose I have to edit it, so I will click on add to timeline. Okay, now I can edit it from here. Okay, so you can do both the things. After editing, you can simply export it from here. Okay, suppose I have to change anything from here, I can simply edit it. Okay, let's play our video. Hello everyone. So in this particular course, you will understand that how can you clone yourself, how can you create amazing AI videos using your. You can notice that whenever I will move, this frame will follow me. Okay, this particular frame is following me. Okay, it is auto adjusting now. Own character. Tired of feeling stretched thin? Now you can simply export this. Okay, you can simply export this and save your file to desired location. So this is how you can use auto reframe feature in Filmora too. Okay, so if you got any help by this video, then you can give me a good positive rating and comment also. Okay, bye bye. I will see you in my next lecture.